So today's topic is, can a resume have colour? My name is Martin Buckland. I manage the careers of senior executives across the world. If you like today's video, please press the subscribe button on YouTube and also press the bell button where you will be notified of all future videos. Plus, look at the description box below where you will find another wealth of information that will help you manage your career. So today's topic is, can you use colour on a resume? Yes, you can, but in moderation. It's like everything. Don't blot your whole resume in colour. A colour or bolding is created to emphasize something. So what I would suggest, I use colour in my resumes and I write a resume every day. I don't blot it with colour, and only stay with one colour throughout that resume. So once you've chosen your colour, it could be part of your brand colour, a colour that you really like. So I use it on the name, and I might use it on section headings. In a resume, in bold, you need to emphasize the title of your position, not your company. You're not selling your company. Just one extra tip. Once you've selected a font, and never use Times New Roman. That is a very, very dated font. For those that are my age and remember the days of the typewriter, you remember that? I consider it as old as the typewriter Courier typeface. So don't use Times New Roman. Use another font, but also don't use a flowery font with lots of squiggles and wiggles. Use the common fonts that are available in a word processor today. So yes, you can use colour, but use it conservatively. Same with bold and same with italics. If you are in career transition and need any help on job search, resume writing, or anything else to do with career management, I would be happy to have a conversation. My name is Martin Buckland, and I manage the careers and advance the careers of senior executives.